Thank you. My very respected colleague, with whom I worked for quite many years, especially in the parliament, we had very interesting exchanges. Minister of State, Mr. Rajiv Chandrasekharji, Dr. Pawar, Ms. Vedashri, Dr. Gulshan Rai, Dr. Rajendra Kumar, Mr. Sahani ji, very enthusiastic secretary, all the colleagues in the team Mighty. Congratulations to all the winners and also congratulations to all the participants. My colleague Rajiv ji explained Prime Minister's vision very cogently. This is a connected world. We are living in a very different world from what it was 20 years, 10 years, 15 years back. There is a clear convergence of computing, communication, and sensors. These three technologies have not only reduced in cost, they've increased in their capabilities, they've increased in complexity, and all three have combined together where we have a world where most of the systems, whether they are industrial systems, manufacturing systems, banking systems, practically every system that you name is today controlled digitally. And in such a world, as we all understand, and most of you have more domain knowledge than me, these are the systems where vulnerabilities have grown multifold. Today, the entry points, which were very well defined, let's say even 15 years back for any system, those entry points no longer are as well defined as they were. Day in and day out, people who want to compromise a system are making innovations. So we have to be at least one step ahead in thinking compared to what the people who want to compromise the system are thinking. So that's where the bigger challenge comes. Are we able to think ahead? Are we able to understand how the hackers are thinking? And hacking is no longer a limited term of hacking a computer system. It can be hacking a pipeline system. It can be hacking a manufacturing system. So that's where the youngsters really need to concentrate and their energies can help the entire country and the world. If you look at just one of the systems, the financial system, our money supply is close to 188 trillion rupees, India, let's say. Out of that, only about 27 trillion rupees is physical currency, which means just about 14 odd percent is physical currency. Balance 86 odd percent would be digital currency. So that's the magnitude of digitalization which has happened. And in such a world, if we are not able to care for security of every transaction, then the trust, which is the bedrock of entire financial system, will be eroded. So I really urge the youngsters, the startups, the academia, the industry veterans, all of you to look at this from a much bigger scale. And the government is committed. Prime Minister's vision is very clear on cybersecurity. We have to become thought leaders. We have to become product leaders. We have to become market leaders in cybersecurity. Whatever needs to be done from the government side, we are a very open-minded government, very setup in which both of us, the secretary, the entire team, all of us are open to ideas, come up with new ideas, create new structures, create new ways of working. This is a new world. This is a new country. This is a country in which every person who wants to contribute gets an opportunity to contribute. Come along. We are with you. We'll be there during your especially for the startups, we'll be there with you during your most vulnerable phase, the startup. Before you create your MVP, before that stage, we will be there with you. This is one challenge. There will be many more challenges, many more similar formats in which youngsters, young people, you get an opportunity to showcase your talent and also convert a commercial opportunity out of that. I once again congratulate all the participants and winners. Wish you all the best and good luck, and create your good world winning products. Thank you.